kids, good morning. My name is Priyanka from Kanha Kingdom Smart Education. Kids, today we are going to learn science, okay, and this is for class first. And today we will learn about plants that gives us food. The name of our chapter that we are going to study, it is plants that gives us food. Plants as food, okay. We will study what are the different kinds of food that plants gives us, okay. So let's move towards the contents. What are we going to learn today? Contents means what are the subtopic that we are going to study in this chapter, okay. So let's move towards the content, okay. So students, today we will learn about plants, different parts of the plants that gives us food, okay. Then vegetables, then fruits, cereals and pulses, okay. Then coffee, tea and sugar. Where do we get coffee from? Then tea and sugar. Where do we get these things from? Okay. Then we will learn about spices and oil. Spices and oil that we get from plants. Okay. So these are the contents that we are going to learn. Okay. So students, you can take out your copy and pencil and you can also write down if you want to. Okay. So let's begin with plants, the different parts of the plants. Okay. So students, can you see the different parts of a plant? What are the different parts of a plant? It is leaf, fruit, flower, stem and roots. What are the different parts of the plant? The different parts of the plant are leaf, fruit, flower, stem and root. Okay. These are the different parts of the plant. Can you see? Leaf, L-E-A-F. Leaf, the green color, that is the leaf of a plant. Okay. Then the red one, F-R-U-I-T, fruit, that is the fruit of a plant. Okay. Then comes flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. The yellow part, the yellow flower, can you see? Those are the flower of a plant. And then the middle one, the middle stem, the green one, that is the stem of a plant, S-T-E-M, stem. Okay. Then very downward, the below one, that is the root of a plant, R-O-O-T, root. Understood? Plants grow from the roots. First the root develops, after that the stem develops, okay. Then there develops the leaf of the plant, then flowers, then fruit. Understood? So these are the different parts of the plant and these different parts of the plants are eaten as food, okay. These different parts of the plant are also eaten as food. Understood? Plants provide us food of different kinds. Okay, like vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, etc. And these are the different kinds of different parts of the plants that we eat as food. Okay? Now students, plants gives us food. Yes or no? Who gives us food? Plants. Plants gives us food. Okay. Plants gives us different kinds of food and we eat different parts of the plant. Yes or no? Plants gives us many different kinds of food and we eat the different parts of the plant like roots, stem, leaf, fruit, flower, okay. These are the different parts of the plant that we also eat as food. Understood? Then We get vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses from plants. Okay, we get vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses from plants. These cereals are the grains of a plant. Okay, and pulses are the seed of a plant. Okay, these pulses are the seeds of a plant that we eat. Okay, we also get coffee, tea and sugar from plants. What else do we get? We get coffee, tea and sugar from plants. Okay, then plants also gives us oil and spices. Okay, plants also gives us oil and spices. Spices means the masalas that your mother gives in your food when she cooks food. Yes or no? Spices are those that your mother put into your food when she cooks it. Okay, those are spices like turmeric powder, then coriander powder. Okay, these are the spices. Understood? Cloves, then cardamom. These are called as spices. Okay. Now let's move towards the next content. Okay. Now we will study about some vegetables. Okay. What are vegetables? Where do we get vegetables from? We get vegetables from plants. Okay, there are different kinds of vegetables that we eat. We eat roots, stems, leaves and flowers of plant as vegetables. What do we eat as vegetables? We eat roots, stem, leaf and flowers of plants as vegetables. Okay, see, there are different kinds of vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, carrot, peas, tomato, then lettuce, then beet, spinach, yes or no? Radish, potato, so many different kinds of vegetables are there. Yes or no? And these are the different parts of plant. These vegetables are the different parts of a plant that we eat as vegetable. Okay, these are the roots, stems, leaf and flower of a plant that we eat as vegetables. Understood? Plants provide us different kinds of food that we eat. Okay, and we eat different parts of a plant as food. Understood? Now students, let us study roots. Roots of a plant that we eat as vegetables. Okay, see, it is written there, roots of the vegetables that we eat. I already told you we eat different parts of the plant as food. Okay, and in vegetables, what are the different parts that we eat? What are the different parts of the plant that we eat as vegetable? Okay, that we eat as vegetables. Okay, see, can you see the picture? Roots of the vegetables that we eat, like beetroot, radish, carrot and turnip. These are the roots of a plant that we eat. Okay, this part of the plant grows under the soil, inside the soil. That is why these are called as the root of the plant. Okay, and these are vegetables or not? Beetroot, radish, carrot, turnip, all these things are what? These are vegetables, yes or no? Since they grow inside the soil, that is why these are called as roots of the plants. Okay, roots of the vegetable that we eat. Okay, these are the roots portion of a plant that grows inside the soil, and these vegetables that we eat are called as root of the vegetable. Okay, for example, beetroot, radish, carrot, turnip, etc. Okay, these vegetables are the root of a plant. Understood? Now let's move to the next content. Now we will learn about the stems. Stems of a plant. Stems are the how does a plant grow? Plants grow in the form of stem or not? It stands tall. How? With the help of a stem. Yes or no? Plants stand tall with the help of a stem. And there are some stems that we eat as food. Okay? Some stems of a plant that we eat as food. Okay? Now stems of the vegetables that we eat. What are the stems of the vegetables that we eat? Can you see the picture? The first one, it is sugar cane, then spring onions, mushrooms, then bamboo shoots, fennel, then potato, ginger, onion, okay, then celery. These are the different vegetables that are the stem. These are the stem portion of a plant that we eat as a vegetable. Understood? This sugar cane, spring onions, then mushrooms, bamboo shoot, fennel, potato, ginger, onion, celery. These are the stem of a plant that we eat as food. Understood? These are the stem of plant that we eat as food. Stem of the vegetables. These are called as vegetables. Okay. These are called as vegetables, and these are the stems of the vegetables that we eat. Understood? Now we will learn about the leaves of the vegetables that we eat. Okay. Now we will study about the leaves of the plant that we eat as vegetables. The leaves of the plant that we eat as vegetables. Okay. So the leaves of cabbage, lettuce, spinach and rocket can be eaten raw and cooked. Okay, raw and cooked means you can eat that without cooking also, and you can also eat it cooking also. You can also cook the leaf of some plants and you can eat it uncooked also. Okay, raw means uncooked. Okay, then see cabbage, then lettuce, rocket. This rocket is a kind of a you can say it is a kind of a spinach only. Okay, then spinach, coriander, yes, then mint, then leek. These are the different leaves of a plant that we eat as vegetable. Understood? These are leaves of the plant that we eat as vegetables. We also eat the leaf of a plant. These are the leaf of a plant. Yes or no? These are the leaf of a plant that we eat as vegetables. For example, cabbage, lettuce, rocket, spinach, coriander, mint, leek. Leek means the leaf of onion. What is leek? L-E-A-K. Leek. Leek is the leaf of onion. Okay. When the onion grows, the leaf that comes out, it is called as leek. Understood? Coriander, you know only what is coriander. From the picture you can recognize. Then mint also you can recognize. Yes or no? Then spinach. Then cabbage. Okay, these are the leaves of a plant that we eat. Understood? Then now students, flowers of the vegetables that we eat. We even eat flowers of a plant as vegetables. Okay? We even eat flowers of a plant as vegetables. Like we eat the flowers of some plants. That is cauliflower, banana flower, then broccoli. Okay, then the down one, that is the flower of pumpkin. Vegetable pumpkin, have you seen? The vegetable pumpkin you can see in the picture. It is the flower of that vegetable. Okay, or you can say the gourd. Okay, the bottle gourd also, the flower that comes out, you can also eat it as a vegetable. Understood? So these are the flowers of some plants that we eat as vegetables, like cauliflower. Cauliflower is not stem or root, not the stem, root or leaf part of a plant. It is the flower of the plant. Cauliflower is the flower part of the plant that we eat as vegetable. Okay, then banana flower. Can you see that? The maroon color, the red one, that is the banana flower that we eat as vegetable. Okay, then broccoli. Yes, the green cauliflower, that is called as broccoli, and that is the flower of a pumpkin. Okay, now let's move to the next content. Okay, then now let us study about the fruits. Plants also gives us fruit or not? The fruit that we eat, it is obtained from plants. Plants gives us fruit. Yes? Then we also eat fruits of the plants like mango, apple, banana, orange, grapes, kiwi, guava, raspberries, etc. These are some these are some fruits I have given you. But all the fruits that we eat are obtained from plants, and we eat the fruit part of the plant. Okay, we also eat the fruits of a plant. Okay, these are the fruits of the plant. Understood? Like mango, orange, apple, grape, kiwi, guava, raspberry, pomegranate. So many fruits are there. Yes or no? Watermelon. All these are what? These are fruits of a plant that we eat. Okay, that we eat as food. Understood? So students, now let us study about cereals and pulses. Okay, plants also gives us cereals and pulses. Plants also gives us cereals and pulses. Okay. Plants which produce grains that can be eaten are called as cereals. What are cereals? Plants that produce grains. Okay. Plants which produce grains that can be eaten are called as cereals. For example, rice, wheat, maize, barley, rye, oats, etc. These are cereals. Okay, these food grains are known as cereals. These food grains that are obtained from plants that can be eaten are known as cereals. C-E-R-E-A-L-S. Cereals. Okay, from where do we that we eat, the roti that we eat, from where do we get? We get this from wheat grains. These wheat grains are grinded into wheat, from which these chapatis or rotis are made as food that we eat. Okay, then corn. From where do we get corn? We get corn from corn plants. Okay, and these all are known as cereals. Cereals, the food grains that plants gives us that can be eaten are known as cereals. Okay. Then now students, what are pulses? What do you mean by pulses? Pulses are the seeds of plants. Seeds of some plants. Those are pulses, okay? Seeds of certain plants that can be eaten are called pulses. What it is written there? Can you see? Seeds of certain plants that can be eaten are called pulses. And pulses are the seeds of the plant. Those are the seeds of the plant. Understood? For example, beans, gram, peas, kidney beans, etc. Understood? These kidney beans are rajma that we eat in our food. Okay, and this gram is known as chana that we eat in our food. Then peas. Can you see the picture and can you recognize what is peas? Yes? Then lentils, the different kind of dal that we eat are called as lentils. 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 Understood? So these are the different seeds that are obtained from plant and that we eat as food. Understood? Seeds, these are the seeds of different plants that we eat as food. Okay, like beans, kidney beans, gram, peas, then lentils. Can you see there on the right hand side of the picture? There are different kinds of seeds of a plant that we eat. Okay, these are called as lentils. Understood? So, we also eat seeds of some plants. For example, beans, gram, peas, kidney beans, lentils, etc. Okay? Now students, let us study about coffee, tea and sugar. Okay? Plants also gives us coffee, tea and sugar. Tea, coffee and sugar that you drink. Sorry, not sugar. Tea and coffee that you drink at home. It is obtained from plant. Understood? The coffee powder, the tea powder that we make tea and coffee from and that we drink, it is obtained from plants. Okay? See, can you see in the picture? Coffee beans, tea leaves, then sugarcane plant. We get sugar from sugarcane. Understood? The sugar that we eat, that is obtained from sugarcane. Understood? Then the coffee powder that we drink, that is obtained from coffee plant. Can you see the seeds of the coffee plant? It is dried and after that it is made into powder. Okay, these are the coffee beans. The beans of the coffee are dried and made into coffee powder. Understood? Then tea. The tea powder that we make tea from, it is also obtained from tea leaves. The tea plant, can you see? The tea leaves are dried and then grinded into tea powder. Understood? So, these coffee, plant and tea plant. Okay, coffee beans, this tea leaves we get from coffee plant and tea plant. Okay, then sugar, we get sugar from sugar cane. We obtain sugar from sugar cane plant. Can you see the picture of sugar cane? So these are the things that we also get from plants, that is coffee, tea and sugar. Okay. Then now comes spices and oil from plants. We also get spices and oil from plants. The oil that we need to cook food are also obtained from plants. Understood? Castor oil is obtained from castor plant. Sunflower oil is obtained from sunflower plant. Then mustard oil is obtained from mustard plant. Coconut oil is obtained from coconut plant. Okay, so these are the plants that gives us oil as food. Understood? Then spices, cinnamon, cardamom, then cloves, then pepper. These are some spices that is used in food, and these are also obtained from plants. Okay, cinnamon, then cardamom, then cloves, then pepper. See, it is written there, the spelling of cinnamon, C-I-N-N-A-M-O-N, cinnamon. Okay, then cardamom, C-A-R-D-A-M-O-M, cardamom. Then cloves, C-L-O-V-E-S, cloves. Then pepper, P-E-P-P-E-R, pepper. These are some spices that is also obtained from plants, and these spices and these oil we use as food. Okay, so now students, let us revise once what we studied. Okay, what are the different parts of the plant? The different parts of the plant are root, stem, flower, fruit, leaf. Okay, these are the different parts of the plant that we eat as food. Understood? These are the different parts of the plant that we eat as food. Roots, stem, flower, fruit and leaf. Okay. Plants gives us different kinds of food, and we eat different parts of the plant. Yes or no? Plants gives us different kinds of food, and we eat different parts of the plant. We get vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, coffee, tea, oil, spices. All these things are obtained from plants. Okay. Then the vegetables that we eat are also obtained from plants. Okay. The vegetables that we eat are also obtained from plants, and we eat different parts of plants as vegetables. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables. The roots of the plants that we eat as vegetables are beetroot, radish, carrot, turnip. Okay, these are the vegetables that we eat. And these are the roots of a plant that we eat as vegetables. Okay. Then comes the stem of the vegetables that we eat. The stem of the vegetables that we eat. The stem of the plants that we eat as vegetables. Those are sugar cane, mushroom, then spring onion, bamboo shoot, fennel. Fennel means soft. Okay. Then potato, ginger, onion. Okay. Then celery. Okay. These are the different parts of these are the different food that we eat as stem. Okay, these are the stem of a plant that we eat as vegetable. Okay, then comes the leaf. We also eat the leaf of a plant as vegetables like cabbage, lettuce, rocket, coriander, spinach, mint. Okay, then leek. These are the different parts of, these are the leaves of a plant that we eat as vegetable. Okay, then we also eat the flower of a plant as vegetable like cauliflower, banana, broccoli, etc. Okay, then we also eat fruits. We also get fruits from plant. We also eat the fruit part of a plant like apple, mango, orange, grapes, banana, guava, kiwi, etc. So many fruits are there. These are also a part of a plant that we eat as food. Okay. Then we also get cereals and pulses from plants. We also get cereals and pulses from plants. Now what are cereals? Cereals, plants which produce grains that we can eat as food are called as cereals. Okay, plants which produce grains that we can eat as food are called as cereals. For example, rice, wheat, maize, barley, oats, etc. Corn. These are the different types of cereals. Okay, these are the grains of a plant that we eat. Okay, then comes pulses. What are pulses? Pulses are the seed of a plant that we eat as food. Seeds of certain plants that can be eaten as food are called as pulses. Okay, and the examples of pulses are beans, gram, peas, kidney beans, lentils, etc. Lentil means the dal that you eat. Okay, these are the different types of pulses that we eat as food. Okay, pulses are the seeds of certain plants that we eat as food. That is called as pulses. Okay, then plants also gives us coffee, tea and sugar. Coffee, tea and sugar are also obtained from plant. Coffee is obtained from coffee plant. The seeds of the coffee are dried, which is also called as coffee beans. Okay, these are dried and turned into coffee powder. Then tea. Tea are obtained from tea plant. The leaves of the tea plant are dried and turned into tea powder. Okay, through which we can make tea and drink. Then sugar. Sugar is made from sugar cane. Sugar cane is the stem of a plant that we eat as food. Okay, and sugar are obtained from sugar cane. Okay, it is made from sugar cane. Understood? Then plants also gives us some spices and oil. Oil and spices are also obtained from plants. Like castor oil are obtained from castor plant. Sunflower oil is obtained from sunflower plant. Then mustard oil from mustard plant. Coconut oil from coconut plant. Understood? Then spices like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, pepper, etc. that we use in our food are also obtained from plants. Okay. So these are the different foods that are obtained from plants. Okay, and we eat the different parts of the plant as food. Understood? So now let's move towards some questions. I will give you some homework, some questions. You please write it down in your copy. Okay, students? So students, you please write these questions in your copy. I will say you the answer. You please take help of your parents to complete this homework. Okay, all the answers are written in the slide. Okay. So our first question is, what does plants gives us? What does plants gives us? Plants gives us food. What does plants gives us? Plants gives us food. Okay. Then our next question is, name any 3 kind of food items that we get from plants. Name any 3 kind of food items that we get from plants. What are the different kinds of food items that we get from plant? You can write like this. The 3 kind of food items that we get from plants are vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses. Okay, what will you write? Vegetable, fruits, cereals and pulses. These are the 3 kinds of food items that we get from plants. Okay. Then name any 2 parts of the plant that we eat as vegetable. Any 2 parts of a plant that we eat as vegetable. The 2 parts of plant that we eat as vegetable are root and stem. Or you can write root, stem or leaf or stem, or you can also write fruits and flower of a plant we can eat. But here it is mentioned as vegetables. Yes or no? Flowers are also eaten as vegetables of a plant. Flowers like cauliflower, cabbage, these are the vegetables. Okay, so you can write root and stem. Okay. Then what are cereals? What are cereals? I already told you. Cereals means plants which produce grains that can be eaten. Okay. Plants which produce grains that can be eaten as food are called as cereals. Okay. For example, wheat and rice. Okay. Then what are pulses? Seeds of certain plants that can be eaten as food are called pulses. Seeds of certain plants that can be eaten as food are called pulses. For example, what are the examples of pulses? You can say gram, beans, lentils. Okay, these are the different examples of pulses. Okay, then where do we get coffee, tea and sugar from? From where do we get coffee, tea and sugar? We get coffee from coffee plant, tea from tea plant and sugar from sugarcane plant. Okay. So these are the questions. You please practice and write down in your copy. Okay. So we will continue with the next chapter in the next class. Till then, bye bye students. Take care of yourself and study well. Okay. See you again.